Hey everyone, it's Annika and it's currently 6 a.m. and we are going to Kananaskis today. So I don't really know what to expect, but I heard that it's beautiful, so I'll just take you along with me. I do have like a giant pimple over here, please ignore it. I need a chubby boy. This is Theo, he's my nephew. And he always makes me asar that I'm always cold, and he's not cold because it's currently like, it's 8 degrees right now. He's not cold.
Because I'm a cold weather baby.
Yes, you are. We are at Burger King. Where are we?
Burger King.
Yeah.
Over there, I kind of saw something moving. I see a cub. I actually see a cub.
It's fine, it's already recording. You just have to like point it.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi. It's so close to my face. I got stung by a bee. Ow. We are at Crescent Lake, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's my first waterfall. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go closer. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not in the right outfit for this. Oh, look, a doggy! It's so pretty. We're gonna go closer to the river now so we can touch the water. Let's see if it's cold. I'm pretty cold, but it's cool. So it says, be water safe. Whoa! This is the closest I can go. The water's so cold, I touched it. I don't even know if you can, like, the audio can pick up because it's so loud. I'm gonna touch the water. Look! Water! It's so clear. Look how clear that is. It's crazy. I need a cha-cha beat, boy. Okay, go. Tell the video. We are at Abraham Lake. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. So I went to the edge. Well, I'm going to the edge over there. Just to like, nahiya ako magpa-picture. So I'm just like trading sika, taking photos with my tripod. So, oh my god. Oh my god, I just want to jump in. And die. JK. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. Getting a little emotional. Because it's so beautiful and like, I wish my mom was here. Like, I really miss her. She would have loved this. She's not dead, she's just back in the Philippines. Mom, I know you're watching this. I wish you were here. Go here when you get here. And now I have to like find my family. Hold on. Oh, they really are gone. Oh my god, I'm alone. Okay, so I found them and we're walking back to the car and we're going to get ice cream. So, wow, it's such a beautiful place. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's unreal. It's like, you know, those things you see on the TV, display TVs. It's crazy. I'm obsessed with this place. I never want to go home. Oh my god. This is the back view. But look what's in front of me also. Wow, that's amazing, huh? Okay, so my camera is like at 10%. I don't know if I can like continue the vlog. Yeah, that was wonderful. Thank you for coming with me on this trip. I hope I got to show you like a little bit of my adventures here. See you in my next vlog. Bye!